Hello again guys, this is another quick video on how to edit HTML in Wix website. Go to your Wix website editor and click the plus sign here. Then choose from the given option embed code. And from the embed code, we have embed HTML, embed the site, and custom element. Here I'm going to choose embed HTML. And you can resize your HTML or embedded HTML and reposition it. Then after that, click this code and add your code here. And after entering or typing your code here, you may click apply. That's it guys. Thank you for watching and keep following for more video tips. Thank you.